Hello everyone. So here is a PM session review of Tuesday, 22 April 2025, the PM session for Nasdaq. So today we had quite of a nice session, a very volatile session. The Nasdaq has been moving very fast in the last 1-2 months, so there is more opportunities than usual, but also the risk is very high. So if we compare to when the Biden administration was on, the price was too much in a range, but now it's moving really fast. So even like a micro contract gives the opportunity for larger moves and of course higher risk. So, but nice session overall. So if we look at 130 opening price today, so here we had 130 open, and I was looking for a move down mostly today, and my place for short was like somewhere around here. I was interested in a short because we had this big weak consequent encroachment, so the one over here, and this area was also confluencing with the new week opening gap. So notice this area 339 to say so, and then we had the new week opening gap, the 0.25, the 0.25 quadrant of the new week opening gap was around the same area. So I was looking when price comes around here if it will give us a short, but instead it seems like price wanted to go higher, and we see how we found the support over here. So I just let price show what it wants to do, to show its hand, and then price just consolidates around and then comes over here at 1448. So here we start the macro 1450. And here price, notice how it touches the 0.75 quadrant, and then it comes here. So here we are doing the macro. So here we can anticipate another trade setup. So yeah, so we are here, and this was the macro, as we can see. Put it a bit higher. And then this area over here is the Thursday PM range. And this was a hint here. Like we had the first fair value gap from the PM session of Thursday, 7:04. So notice this area. So if we go back to previous Thursday, the first fair value gap of the PM session, then we see 1330, 31, and here we have our first fair value gap. So over here, and notice how price is respecting it. Now, during the macro time, we also have a 15-minute fair value gap over here. So here is the consequent encroachment, and notice how price is staying below that. So that is starting to give us an indication that price might wants to go lower. On top of that, this is previous day, so the high on Monday, look over here, 383.5. So this is this area over here. And here we get the hint. We have this big fair value gap in the form of a CB. It comes down, goes below previous Thursday opening price. So here I was looking for a short. Then I got the indication the price is going to go lower. And I was actually anticipating it will come over here. As we will notice, it didn't do that. It just came to this area. So here, previous day high, we're doing the macro. Here we get our entry into this liquidity void. If we extend it to the right, we see this small little gap over here. So here we can enter. This is also an order block, a bearish order block. And then price comes lower. It reaches the Monday open. So we see here the Monday open, and it goes up to the Thursday low. So we see this here, the low comes down, It hits the Tuesday AM range high, and we are inside the midnight range. So this is the range of Monday between midnight and 0030. And here price reversed at 1540, very explosive movement up after it takes the low. And as you know, if you've seen my videos or if you watch, if you study the ICT trading concepts on Inner Circle Trader YouTube channel, then you will see that around this time we expect a reversal. So here I was actually looking to take a short, but I didn't realize the time. And then when I saw it move it down, I closed the trade immediately and went the other direction because I realized the time aspect of it. And the price was very explosive. And let's see what triggered this, because this is a PD array as well. So if we look on the daily chart, I'll take the 1 minute. So notice how this is the daily tail consequent encroachment. You see how price perfectly respected here at 1541 and then mounts a move higher. 1550, it comes to the new week opening gap. So if I pull back, see over here 1515, this is the new week opening gap. This one over here, we got a retracement up and then boom, it goes higher to take the high that we form at 1450 macro. So notice how even if I was favoring a short, I was kind of stuck on yesterday's move. Price didn't seem to deliver there, but we still get a really nice short in the macro. However, according to the seasonal tendency, which is kind of bullish, we see how the nice price rounds are aiming higher. So probably we're going to see higher moves. I'm not very clear on the bias right now, if it's bullish or bearish. So the seasonal tendency is showing us higher moves higher. And to be honest, there is a chance the price comes here. There are these relative equal lows, but we need a bit more confirmation for that. So just gonna wait and see what price offers us. And so far we can still take like intraday moves according to the PD arrays, and you know, we see sensitivity at specific levels. We can take short scalps for that. So yeah, this was today's PM session. So again, really nice move at 1450. The clear sign was this imbalance. And then here, the reversal at 1530 macro. So 1540, we see how price, 1541 actually, how price perfectly hits the daily tail. And then it moves higher and takes the high. So very nice session overall. So hope you enjoyed this one. Have a good night.